Alright, so this would be update 1 on the Glock, even though it's almost finished. So, you got the frame here with the attachment rails and working trigger. The hole for the magazine release, which I've got too. Little spot to rest your thumb. That's awesome. Paper mache there, and trigger guard's cool. There's little bumps for your finger. And yep, so what we've got is the magazine, and that's where the mag release goes, quite obviously. And the magazine release is just that, which goes in the gun. The magazine goes in, and there you go. Simply press the button, and it's a bit wobbly right now. That's because it's peeling. Basically falling out as soon as you press the button, and while it's locked in, you can't take it out. So that's good. And this is the slide that I've only just done. It's got these little rail-y things and a block to stop it from going too far forward with the barrel, which is over there. I'll show you. So that's it so far, and the slide stop. Yep. So the barrel here, and that slides in there, and a little pin. And this would be the recoil spring guide, so that will be like that, and that's going to go on the barrel like that. And so yeah, and this is just the little pin that's going to hold the barrel in, and that's just a piece of a pen, the ink thing. So that's it. Please tell me if you think the slide is too high. I thought that before, that this was too chunky, but I don't know really. Going off my Google image picture, which is destroyed now anyway, so just destroyed it then. When I made the slide, cut it out, and that's all I need for reference. So Magwell and stuff. And that's the front at the moment. I'm just about to make that front face and sand in there so it's round. Things like that. So yeah, I'll show you the slide with the barrel in. Get a look at that. It's quite tricky, this. Not perfected yet. Alright, there's the barrel in. And then the slide. Okay, so there you go. You've got the chamber there and back. Rightio. Back in. Yeah. So soon I'm gonna finish it off, and I should post that soon. Please request tutorials, because I like doing tutorials for people, and then people can make guns and whatnot. Alright. Till next time.